Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Cosmos Turkey Brine is probably one of the most crucial elements for a truly unforgettable Thanksgiving feast. This video dives deep into the world of brining, exploring why this product stands out from the crowd. We'll uncover the secrets behind its flavor-enhancing magic, and how it transforms a simple turkey into a succulent, juicy masterpiece that will have your guests begging for more. Number 5. Fire and Flavor Turkey Brine Kit. Want the best tasting turkey? This kit makes it easy. The brine enhances the flavor, and the bag keeps the turkey moist and tender. It's a simple solution for a delicious meal. This brine uses a classic blend of herbs and spices. It's perfect for any gathering. Maximize the flavor and minimize the fuss with this easy-to-use kit. The kit includes everything except the turkey. You'll get the brine mix, a large brining bag, instructions, and recipes. It has everything you need to get started. This kit works for turkeys up to 25 pounds. You can roast, grill, smoke, or fry the bird. Whatever method you choose, this kit simplifies the process. We are dedicated to providing delicious cooking solutions. From the fire to the flavor, this kit helps you create mouth-watering results. Enjoy the perfect turkey. What we like. This kit offers a classic herb flavor profile, perfect for a traditional Thanksgiving turkey. It includes everything you need, making the brining process incredibly easy. If you are looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for a delicious and flavorful turkey, you should consider this. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. The brine is easy to use. The turkey was juicy and delicious. Number 4. Aromasong Hot and Spicy Turkey Brine 2 pounds. Want to impress your guests? This product helps you achieve professional-level cooking. It spices things up and delivers luscious meat. This sea salt brine gives your meat a tender texture and an explosion of rich flavor. You will enjoy every bite. Enhance your poultry, pork, and beef recipes with this brine salt. It gives your meat a distinct, yet not overpowering, salty flavor. Elevate your savory dishes with this brine seasoning. Use it for deep frying, roasting, grilling, and smoking various meats. Easily cook moist and savory meat platters for any event. There's enough mix in each pack to brine large pieces of meat. What we like. This brine delivers an unforgettable explosion of flavor with its hot and spicy profile. It ensures a juicy and meaty taste down to the bone. If you like a bold and flavorful turkey with a kick, you should consider this. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. This brine is the best I have ever used. The turkey was so juicy and delicious. Number 3. Brining Bag 26x22 2-pack. These brining bags feature double track zippers, ensuring a tight seal without leaks. They also include strings and larger clips for dual protection, preventing any spills. Made from heavy-duty, BPA-free material, this bag is built to last. Its 125 micron density and thick seams provide superior protection against leaks, tears, and rips. These extra-large bags can hold up to 35 pounds of turkey, with plenty of space for both the bird and the brine. The widened bottom further increases its capacity. Compared to traditional methods, this brining bag is incredibly easy to use, keeping your kitchen clean. Simply place your turkey inside, add the brine, seal it with the clasp, and tie it up with the strings. These bags are not just for turkey, they're perfect for marinating shrimp, beef, or pork. They are made with heavy-duty, BPA-free, food-grade materials, making them ideal for various meats. What we like. These brining bags are extra durable, made from heavy-duty, BPA-free material. The extra-large size can accommodate up to a 35-pound turkey. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use brining bag that can handle large turkeys, you should consider these. What people say. Heavy duty and no leaks. This bag is big and great for brining a large turkey. This brining bag made my holiday cooking so much easier. It's large enough to comfortably hold a whole turkey with plenty of brine, and the plastic feels thick and sturdy, so I never worried about leaks. The seal zipper stayed closed the entire time, and the bag fit nicely in my fridge in a roasting pan. These bags worked excellent. Brined a 18-pound turkey before smoking, and this bag was extremely sturdy and sealed perfectly to ensure full submersion in the brine. Number 2. Rodelle Turkey Brine Gourmet Spice Blend, 25 ounces. This gourmet turkey brine is made with the finest ingredients. It's designed to take your holiday turkey from good to great. With this blend, you can ensure your turkey is the star of the meal. It's a simple way to add incredible flavor. The brine uses only the best ingredients. You'll taste the difference in every bite. This product will transform your turkey. It's the secret to a delicious and memorable holiday feast. Make your holiday turkey unforgettable with this special blend. It's easy to use and delivers amazing results. What we like. This product is made with gourmet spice blend and wholesome ingredients. It is designed to elevate your holiday turkey from good to great. If you are looking for a simple way to enhance the flavor of your turkey, you should consider this. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. This brine is the best I have ever used. The flavor was outstanding. Number 1. Cosmos Turkey Brine Soak. This brine soak is designed to lock in moisture and enhance the flavor of your turkey. It's a blend of brown sugar, Worcestershire, garlic, onion, and pepper, creating a balanced taste profile. The brown sugar provides a gentle sweetness, while the Worcestershire powder and spices deepen the savory notes. This combination ensures your turkey, whether smoked, roasted, or fried, has a delicious flavor. The brine helps the meat retain moisture during cooking, ensuring it stays juicy. Simply dissolve the mix in water, submerge your turkey, and enjoy tender results. Preparation is easy, just stir the dry brine into cold water. The blend dissolves quickly, making it convenient for any meal. You'll get consistent, delicious results every time. This versatile brine isn't just for turkey, it complements chicken, pork, shrimp, and even vegetables. It's a great addition to your grilling arsenal, perfect for experimenting with different flavors. Developed and refined through competition, this recipe delivers reliable flavor. You can trust it whether you're cooking for a holiday or refining your own style. What we like. This brine offers a balanced flavor profile with brown sugar and Worcestershire. It helps retain moisture, ensuring a juicy turkey. If you are looking for a flavorful and easy-to-use brine that guarantees a tender and delicious turkey, you should consider this. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. The brine is easy to use. The flavor was amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.